Understanding the word ludicrous plus synonyms Thesaurus Thrive. Welcome to Thesaurus Thrive. Today, we're diving into the word ludicrous. What does it mean? How can you use it? And what are some great synonyms to make your English even more vibrant? Let's get started. What does a ludicrous mean? The word ludicrous describes something so silly, ridiculous, or absurd that it's almost laughable. Imagine a situation or an idea that's completely unreasonable or unbelievable, that's ludicrous. For example, if someone said, "I can fly without wings," that would be a ludicrous claim. How to use ludicrous in a sentence. The idea that cats can do math is absolutely ludicrous. It's ludicrous to expect to finish a marathon without training. Now, let's explore some synonyms. If you want to say ludicrous but mix things up, here are some words you can use. Absurd, ridiculous, preposterous, laughable, nonsensical, outrageous. Each synonym has its own slight twist, but they all share the core idea of something being wildly unreasonable or silly. Why use synonyms? Using different words makes your speech and writing more interesting and helps you express yourself more clearly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Thesaurus Thrive for more fun and easy English word lessons. See you next time.